What's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a case saver on this all new Beta 300 two-stroke.
The TMD case saver is designed to help protect the engine case from chain derailment and is made suitable for all types of riding. The open face helps reduce mud and dirt buildup. Custom contours match the case shape for maximum support, with industry-leading plastic formula return memory system that is lightweight and absorbs impacts, made from the same durable material as our rear chain guides. All hardware is included in the kit, used by championship-winning teams worldwide and made in the USA.
Now this bike is well protected. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date with all our parts. See you out on the trail.